Hello, my name is Elle Daniel and I'm an avid student and teacher of yoga. 2020 changed a lot for all of us, but yoga was a constant throughout and will continue to be of use to us as we move into 2021. I made the Start Now platform as a yoga educational portal whereby you can practice asana, the more subtle practices such as pranayama and meditation, and also learn about the philosophy of yoga. Yoga is not just a New Year's workout plan, but rather a practice for life. And this platform reflects that in that there are different sections of classes to support you, wherever you may be on your yoga journey. Begin, to start anew or revisit the potential of beginner's mindset. Sustain, to build on your foundation and grow. Evolve, to take your practice to new heights, physically, mentally, and spiritually. There is also a section called Dissolve for deep relaxation practices such as restorative and yoga nidra. This is a subscription service costing just £18 a month, which gets you full access to all classes, plus one live stream masterclass a month, and you can try the whole thing free for 7 days using the code STARTTODAY2021. I hope you take this amazing journey with me. Start today.